0FXB, just a quickie on storing a memory channel. So if you look here, we're on VFO mode, and if you look, it says 0424. So we're in memory group 4, and at the moment we're on channel 24. So what we do is, let's come out. So tap and hold the VFO button, and it comes up. You can see 0424. Now hold down MW, and it's beeped, and look, it's put a memory channel into the next free channel, which is 04, I think it was 28. Let's do it again. Watch this. 0429. So if we go to the memory group, which is 04, now we can scroll, put it into go into memory mode, scroll to, I know I've been saving the same memory over and over again, to 29. See? 29. Let's do a different one. So let's change. We're in VFO. Let's get into VFO. Let's change to 145630. We're in VFO. Now let's hold it down again, the MW button. It's put it in group 04, channel 30. So now if we go back to memory mode, turn to channel 30, and there it is. Now, the other thing you can do is change groups. So let's hit the word group. Let's go to one of these. Let's go to this one here, O2 FMVHF. We'll select it, okay? So at the moment, if you look at memo, the one we selected is 0244. Let's go to the last one, which is memory group 2, memory number 56. Right, so let's go back to VFO. VFO, we're back in VFO. We know that memory group 2 and 56 is taken, so let's choose a new frequency. So let's choose 145.650.050. So now when we hold MW, it will beep twice, and it will tell us it's put it into memory group 02 and memory channel number 56. So watch. Now look, 02, the next number it says here is 00. So look, well, let's go to 00. So what we do is back out, put it into, tap that, go to memory. Then we know we're still in group 02, and we're going to look for 0. There we are. It numbered it as 0. Okay? So with the 705, using the group is quite an important part of the memory procedure, and you can add groups. So let's hold our finger on local repeaters. Display all groups. There you go. And now look. Now right, edit name on number 5, edit name, and we can create a new group. So let's call it group B, okay? Click enter. Now group 5 is group B, and it's blank. So just remember it's blank. So let's just keep us in that group. So we just put ourselves in that group. We can actually add channels from this section. So tap the frequency. Let's get it right. Right, we've tapped the frequency, and now let's hold MW. So look, in group 05, it's numbered as 00. So let's go to memo. Let's back out. Tap the VFO. Hit memo. Memo. Let's go to group 5. So now there's only one channel in there, and it's put that. So let's add another channel to that. So we go VFO, and let's change the frequency to 145.707 so we remember it. Let's go memo, so hold VFO. Let's select, let's hold our finger on MW. So look, it's put us into group 5, channel 1. So if we want to find that, go memo. Let's go to group, actually, group 5, and let's go to turn it once to channel 1, and there it is. So it does feel a bit long-winded, but that's basically how the 705 works for adding things to your memory. So yeah, I hope this helps. If there's a clearer and quicker way, let me know. M0FXB clear.